Powders, the essential vehicle checks before you drive. Before hitting the road, it's important to make sure your vehicle is in good working order. A simple way to remember the key checks you should complete before starting your journey is by using the Powders or Powdery acronym. In this video, I'll have a look at each letter, explaining what to check and why it's essential for your safety. Powders or Powdery is an easy to remember checklist that helps you ensure your vehicle is safe and ready to drive. These quick checks can help prevent breakdowns, accidents and other road hazards. P. Petrol or fuel, power. The first check is your fuel level. Make sure you have enough petrol, diesel or charge for your journey, including any unexpected detours or delays. Running out of fuel or power can be dangerous, especially on busy roads or in remote areas, so always fill up if you're unsure. For electric vehicles, ensure your battery is sufficiently charged before setting off and plan in stopping points for extra charging. O. Oil. Next, check your oil levels. Engine oil is vital for keeping your car running smoothly, preventing overheating and reducing friction between engine parts. Low oil levels can lead to serious engine damage, so use the dipstick to check and top up if necessary. W. Water. Check the water or coolant level in your car. Coolant helps regulate your engine's temperature, especially during long trips or in hot weather. Ensure the reservoir is filled to the correct level, and also check the windscreen washer levels so you can keep your windscreen clear. D. Damage or doors. Before you set off, inspect your car for any obvious damage. Look for cracked mirrors, broken lights, or tyre damage, anything that could affect your journey. Also make sure your doors are fully closed and that your boot is secured. This helps avoid distractions or potential hazards whilst driving. E. Electrics. Check that all your vehicle's lights are working properly. Headlights, brake lights, indicators and hazard lights. Functioning lights are crucial for visibility and communication with other drivers. Don't forget to check your horn and dashboard warning lights as well. R. Rubber or tyres. So you briefly check the condition of your tyres in the D for damage section, but bear in mind your tyres are the only point of contact between your car and the road, so checking them is essential. Make sure the tread depth is above the legal minimum 1.6mm in the UK, and that the tyres are properly inflated. Underinflated or worn tyres can affect your vehicle's handling and stopping distance, especially in wet or icy conditions. Also, if you change your tyres for icy conditions to winter tyres, make sure you have those when you need them and that you've removed them when you no longer need them. S. Self or YU. Lastly, think about yourself. Make sure you're wearing your seatbelt and that all other passengers are buckled up too. Adjust your seat and mirrors for optimal visibility and ensure you feel alert and ready to drive. If you're feeling tired or unwell, it's better to delay your journey. The Powders checklist is a simple yet effective way to ensure both your car and you are ready for the road. By taking just a few minutes to check your fuel, oil, water and more, you can prevent potential problems and make your journey safer. Thank you for watching. The Drive Smart campaign, which will be delivering new weekly content throughout 2025, will provide many more tips on staying safe behind the wheel. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss out on the new content. Finally, remember, when you drive smart, you drive safe.